Learn how to build an insurance product in just 5 steps with AdInsure. With AdInsure Studio's no-code, low-code tools, product design and configuration is fast and effortless. Choose your line of business, then let the product wizard guide you through coverages, invoicing, and more. Easily set validity periods, distribution channels, terms, and underwriting levels, all in one clear guided interface. With the basics in place, fine-tune every detail using powerful editors in AdInsure Studio. Define process flows and assign roles using the workflow editor. Set up precise premium calculations with the business rules editor. Create tailored forms for sales agents, underwriters, and other roles. Seamlessly integrate new products across channels using out-of-the-box APIs. Once ready, publish your product instantly, enabling sales teams to quote and close policies on the spot. AdInsure Studio, speed up product configuration and boost insurance sales.